Welcome back, traders. Markets charged to all-time highs today, completely brushing off the government shutdown concerns, leaving yesterday's Nvidia setup in the rear view while Datadog's triangle breakout lit up the board like a trader's dream.
Yeah, quite the day.
With ISM manufacturing PMI flashing a factory beat and Bitcoin bulldozing its swing high, today's got that rare mix of policy-proof grit and technical fireworks to keep the week humming.
Definitely a lot to unpack.
You're tuned into the Stock Market Summary series. We're going to get into what we're seeing in the charts, but before we do, just remember that none of this is buying or selling advice.
Nope.
We're just here to provide market commentary and trading education. Keyword being education. Nothing we say here is financial advice.
That's right. Education focused.
Also, if you're liking these videos, do us a solid and give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
Okay, let's unpack this resilient. SPY gained 0.34% and QQQ ripped higher, 0.48%, both logging fresh all-time records.
Right, new highs. The big indices simply chose to ignore those ongoing DC worries, showing, significant policy-proof conviction.
It's pretty fascinating, isn't it? Because while large cap tech is pushing new records like that, you look at the broader market. I mean, the Russell 2000 IWM, it only managed, what, 0.22%? Doesn't that feel a bit narrow? Like maybe a bit vulnerable if those few mega caps stumble?
That's definitely valid skepticism, but the technical nuance for IWM is what's interesting here. It managed to bounce perfectly off that trusty 20-day moving average support.
Yeah, that 20-day, we've been watching that.
Right. We've watched that level hold firm repeatedly this year, and it did it again today. So it confirms the underlying short-term uptrend is still solid, even if, the broad momentum isn't exactly explosive yet.
Exactly. It's a reliable technical check mark. And, connecting that index strength to specific stocks. Well, the start technical setup today really belonged to Datadog, DDOG.
Aye.
It delivered that textbook trade we were talking about last week.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. DDOG busted out of that symmetrical triangle pattern on Monday.
Yep, broke the pattern.
It consolidated for a day, sort of stutter-stepped, and then today, it just exploded over 7% on truly clean volume.
Big move. That volume confirmation is key.
Yeah, this wasn't just noise. The volume confirmed, like institutional conviction, right? Validating the risk-reward from that triangle entry.
And that's the actionable insight for you listening. Spotting a pattern like a symmetrical triangle suggests that temporary market indecision before a potentially major move.
Right.
So when you combine that tight trendline entry with the kind of high-volume validation we just saw, well, you define your risk beautifully. Nailing that kind of pattern recognition and volume read is really foundational for repeatable trading confidence. And that's exactly the kind of deep analysis we teach, in our advanced technical training and mentorship.
Good point. Good point.
Now, shifting to the economic picture, September's ISM manufacturing PMI, it came in at 49.1.
Okay, 49.1. How's that stack up?
Just a hair above the 49 consensus. And it's definitely a snapback from August's 47.7. So it signals stabilization, maybe not full expansion yet.
Stabilization, okay. Any particular parts?
Yeah, the key components that stabilized were production and new orders. It confirms factory floors are, slowly finding their footing.
Gotcha.
But we still have to track those federal funding talks. A prolonged delay there could absolutely ripple into next week's critical jobs data, something to keep an eye on.
Definitely. Okay, looking at the sector tape, healthcare XLV absolutely dominated the day. Soared plus 3.09%. That's a massive move for a major sector.
Huge move in healthcare.
Meanwhile, materials XLB really dragged as the clear laggard, down 1.05%.
Interesting divergence there. Now, over in crypto.
Yeah.
Bitcoin. It really flipped the script from that flatline coil we saw.
Yeah, what happened?
Exploded. Up over 2.97% to smash a short-term swing high.
Wow, okay, so that raises the question, right? Is this the launch we've been waiting for, or is this maybe a potential head fake?
That's the million-dollar question. Also worth noting, gold was up a bit, 0.16%, and silver added 1.27%, extending that safe haven grind.
Makes sense.
All right, so these technical wins today, DDOG's 7% pop, the 20-day MA holding firm on IWM, they really highlight the difference between just like seeing a chart and truly understanding the flow of conviction.
Reading the tape.
Exactly. We teach pattern recognition, volume reads, and maybe most importantly, crucial risk management. It's about building repeatable, confident trading systems. And that's really the core focus of the Grok Trade Mentorship program, coaching you until you recoup that investment.
So wrapping this up, what does it all mean? Today's shutdown-defying surge, led by those record prints and DDoG's fireworks, it really shows a resilient nod to the technical backbone we love to unpack here.
Yeah, the market seems determined.
Seems determined to climb.
We're tracking that momentum closely, obviously. Before you head out, maybe drop your take below. What do you think about Bitcoin's decisive swing high bust? Or the future of that huge XLV healthcare heater?
Good question.
We'll definitely be watching those comments.
Absolutely. Have a great rest of the day, everyone, and we'll catch you in tomorrow's market summary.